Hey guys, welcome back in Chemistry World. In today's session, I am going to discuss about most important questions of potassium permanganate. If you don't watch previous videos, you should watch the video. Let's start today's class. First question, write the name and formula of ore of KMnO4. Solution will be pyrolusite MnO2. I repeat, pyrolusite MnO2. Second question, what is the color of KMnO4 crystals? Answer will be violet. Third, how will you prepare KMnO4 from pyrolusite? Describe. Answer will be, we know that pyrolusite is the ore of KMnO4. Thus, pyrolusite is fused with KOH in the presence of air or an oxidizing agent like potassium nitrate, potassium chlorate, etc. to give green potassium magnate K2MnO4. So chemical equation, I repeat, pyrolusite is fused with KOH in the presence of air or an oxidizing agent like KNO3, potassium nitrate, potassium chlorate, etc. to give green potassium magnate. Potassium magnate is extracted with water and oxidized to KMnO4 by passing chlorine or ozone into solution. So equation, I repeat, potassium magnate is extracted with water and oxidized to KMnO4 by passing chlorine or ozone into the solution. So this is the oxidation of K2MnO4 into KMnO4 by chlorine or by ozone gas. So K2MnO4 is oxidized by passing ozone or chlorine into KMnO4. Thus, by oxidation, the green K2MnO4 color of solution changes into purple. I repeat, by oxidation, the green color of solution means K2MnO4 changes into purple means KMnO4. The purple solution of KMnO4 potassium permanganate is concentrated and on cooling gives crystals of KMnO4. So I repeat, pyrolusite is fused with KOH in the presence of air or an oxidizing agent like KNO3, potassium chlorate, etc. to give green potassium magnate. Green potassium magnate is extracted with water and oxidized to KMnO4. Oxidized to KMnO4 by passing Cl2 or ozone into solution. By oxidation, the green color of solution changes into purple. The purple solution of KMnO4 is concentrated and on cooling gives crystals of KMnO4. For balancing, 2 and 2 means 4. It means 2 moles of potassium magnate are participate in the reaction. Next, fourth question, how does the acidified KMnO4 solution react with Fe2 plus ions, iodide ion, SO2 and H2S? Solution will be, we know that KMnO4 acts as a very powerful oxidizing agent in acidic, neutral and alkaline medium. In acidic medium, KMnO4 oxidizes, first point, Fe2 plus ion to Fe3 plus ion. It means ferrous ion to ferric ion. Chemical equation is I repeat, KMnO4 acts as a powerful oxidizing agent in acidic, alkaline and neutral medium. In acidic medium, KMnO4 oxidizes Fe2 plus ferrous ion to ferric ion. So, in acidic medium, KMnO4 take 5 electrons and get reduced in Mn2 plus ions and act as a powerful oxidizing agent. KMnO4 oxidizes Fe2 plus into Fe3 plus. During this reaction, light green color Fe2 plus salts are converted into light yellow Fe3 plus salts. Similarly, iodide ion to iodine. Chemical equation is eight moles of water. So KMnO4 oxidizes iodide ion into iodine. Third, SO2 sulfur dioxide to sulfate ion. Chemical equation is Here, by the reaction of SO2 and H2O, H2SO4 is formed, means acidic medium, and in acidic medium KMnO4 acts as powerful oxidizing agent. Thus KMnO4 oxidizes SO2 in sulfate ion. Fourth part of the question, H2S2 sulfur. KMnO4 oxidizes H2S2 sulfur. Very important. Chemical equation is, this is ionic equation. During this reaction, sulfur gets precipitated. So, in acidic medium, KMnO4 get reduced in Mn2 plus, MnO4 minus get reduced in Mn2 plus. In all the reactions, KMnO4 acts as a powerful oxidizing agent. Next, fifth question, give the structure of magnet ion and permanganate ions. Answer will be, the magnet and permanganate ions are tetrahedral in shape. In both the ions, manganese is sp3 hybridized, and the structure of magnet and permanganate ions are, this is magnet ion and this is permanganate ion. Both ions are tetrahedral in shape. Here 2 minus means 2 oxygen atoms are attached to the center atom manganese by single bond. On the other hand, here minus 1 means 1 oxygen atom is attached to center atom manganese by one single bond. This is the trick. Draw the geometry of both the ions. Very important. Next, sixth question. Complete the following chemical equation. First is, we know that KMnO4 acts as a strong oxidizing agent in acidic medium. KMnO4 oxidizes oxalate ion to CO2. Thus, the chemical equation is, in acidic medium, KMnO4 oxidizes oxalate ion to CO2. Very important. Here an important point, oxidation takes place at higher temperature. It means oxidation of oxalate ion to CO2 by permanganate ion takes place at higher temperature. Second, permanganate ion in acidic medium, 5 electrons are accepted and get reduced in Mn2 plus ions. Thus, the ionic equation is, I repeat, in acidic medium, permanganate ion accept 5 electrons and get reduced in Mn2 plus ions. That is why in acidic medium, KMnO4 acts as a powerful oxidizing agent. Next, seventh question, give ionic equation for the oxidation of iodide ion with KMnO4 in alkaline medium? Important question. Solution will be, we know that KMnO4 acts as a powerful oxidizing agent in alkaline medium. Thus, KMnO4 oxidizes iodide ions to iodates. Ionic equation is in alkaline medium KMnO4 acts as a powerful oxidizing agent. Thus, iodide ion get oxidized into iodates by MnO4 minus permanganate ion. Eighth question, what is the effect of heat on KMnO4? Answer will be, on heating KMnO4 changes into K2MnO4 potassium magnate and oxygen gas is evolved. Chemical equation is 2KMnO4 when KMnO4 heating, then it converted into potassium magnate and here oxygen gas is evolved. Very important. It means that this is the chemical equation by which KMnO4 converted into K2MnO4. Very important. Next, 9. What happens when KMnO4 is heated with alkali? Very important. Solution will be, when KMnO4 is heated with alkalis, it gives potassium magnate and evolved oxygen gas. Chemical equation is alkali means KOH, NaOH, etc. I repeat, when KMnO4 is heated with alkalis, it gives potassium magnate and oxygen gas evolved. Next, 10th question, what are the equivalent mass of KMnO4 when it acts as oxidizing agent in different medium? Welcome back. Solution will be, in acidic, alkaline and neutral medium, KMnO4 acts as powerful oxidizing agent. In acidic medium, permanganate ion take up 5 electrons. In alkalis and neutral both medium, it take up 3 electrons. Very important. So, equivalent mass of KMnO4 in acidic medium. Equivalent mass of KMnO4 in acidic medium is equal to molecular mass divided by number of electron gained. Molecular mass of KMnO4 we know that atomic mass of potassium is 39, atomic mass of manganese is 55 and 4 into atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Finally, molecular mass of KMnO4 is 158 gram mole inverse. Thus, equivalent mass of KMnO4 in acidic medium is equal to 158. We know that in acidic medium, KMnO4 take up 5 electrons. It means 158 divided by 5. Final result is 31.6. It means that equivalent mass of KMnO4 in acidic medium is 31.6. Similarly, in alkaline and neutral medium, molecular mass divided by number of electron gained. We know that in alkaline and neutral medium, KMnO4 take up 3 electrons. It means 158 upon 3. Final result is 32.66. It means that equivalent mass of KMnO4 in alkaline and neutral medium is 32.66. Welcome back. Now we take some important MCQs. So welcome again in Abhigyan MCQs. First question, when MnO2 is fused with KOH, a colored compound is formed. The product name and color is KMnO4 purple, Mn2O3 brown, K2MnO4 green, and option D Mn2O4 black. Solution will be, we know that preparation of KMnO4, pyroxide is fused with KOH in presence of O2 or an oxidizing agent to give green potassium magnate. So answer will be option C, potassium magnate, and color is green. Second question, KMnO4 acts as an oxidizing agent in alkaline medium when alkaline KMnO4 is treated with Ki. Iodide ion is oxidized to I2IO minus, IO4 minus, and in option D IO3 minus. We know that in alkaline medium KMnO4 acts as an oxidizing agent. KMnO4 oxidizes Ki into iodates, thus answer option D IO3 minus. For third question, KMnO4 acts as an oxidizing agent in important neutral and acidic medium, neutral, acidic and alkaline medium, C acidic medium only, D neutral and alkaline medium. We know that KMnO4 acts as an oxidizing agent in acidic, neutral and alkaline medium, thus answer option B neutral, acidic and alkaline medium. Next, fourth question, oxidation number of manganese in permanganate ion is +6, +4, +7, none of the above. Answer option C +7. Next, fifth question, when KMnO4 reacts with acidified FeSO4, option A only FeSO4 is oxidized, B FeSO4 is oxidized and KMnO4 is reduced, C only KMnO4 is oxidized, and option D none of the above. Important question. We know that KMnO4 acts as a powerful oxidizing agent in all medium. KMnO4 get reduced, thus answer will be option B FeSO4 is oxidized and KMnO4 is reduced. KMnO4 oxidizes Fe2 plus ions to Fe3 plus ion and get reduced. So answer will be option B.